I want to talk about dreaming through a structure that has spiritual perspectives using a model by Ken Wilber, a modern philosopher. Wilber discusses the challenge of humanity as it exists today. From Wilber's point of view, the challenge for humanity is to integrate religion and science. For him, both need each other, and each one without the other lacks something. Religion lacks the empiricism of science, and science without religion provides a meaningless life. Wilber integrates between different traditions that existed in the past, before the modern period, and arrives at a model of a set of rings or spheres, which according to him was the structure of existence as perceived in the past. He calls it the great nest of being, or the great chain of being. From his point of view, there are 5 rings. The first is material, and it's related to physics. It is surrounded by a ring or sphere called life or body, which is related to biology. Then there's a stratum of mind related to psychology. Then there's a layer of soul, which is related to theology or religion. And the largest is the ring or sphere of the spirit, which is related to mysticism. Wilber alleges that with all the advances that modernity and science brought, they also reduced the great chain of being to the most internal and superficial parts or spheres, especially material and body, physics and biology. That is, everything that can be verified empirically is what is considered today as real. But all the delicate and mysterious layers of existence were ignored from human experience under the auspices of modernity and science. He calls it Flatland, or the disaster of modernity. It represents a collapse. If we use this model of spheres, we can play a little with the concept of dreaming. For example, it can be said that each stratum dreams of its thickest stratum, its thickest sphere, so it exists. What do I mean? I use Ogden's poetic expression, dreaming into existence, in conjunction with Wilber's model to offer that the spirit dreams the soul into existence, the soul dreams the mind into existence, and the mind dreams the body into existence. Again, we see that dreaming is a more delicate function, more airy, that dreams thicker and more compressed layers into existence. From the alchemy between them, something new is generated, a sense of existence is generated. It can also be said that dreaming takes this flatland, this collapse into materialism, and unfolds it again, stretches it to more airy and spiritual strata. Dreaming is an anti-action. It is an action opposed to the collapse of modernity. It inserts life with more meaning, intention, and spirit into cubes of materiality, functionality, and survival.